नमस्ते, मैं हूं भैरवी गोस्वामी। indiaglitz.com के सभी दर्शकों को दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
हर घर में रोशनी जगमगाई, दीपों से ये ज़मीं झिलमिलाई।
हर घर में रोशनी जगमगाई, दीपों से ये ज़मीं झिलमिलाई।
रोशन है गली चौबारे, रोशन हुई हर सू। आई दिवाली, आई दिवाली, Diwali to you. Happy Diwali, Happy Diwali, Happy Diwali to you.
I celebrate Diwali with Lakshmi Puja. Diwali, according to me, symbolizes lots of mithai, lots of friends, diyas, flowers, everything, lots of festivity, nice clothes, jewelry. All this is Diwali to me. And I start by doing Lakshmi Puja. I start by lighting diyas all over the house. I clean my whole house. I decorate my whole house. And every evening, Diwali evening, we have lots of friends coming over. We play cards. We have lots of food, great mithai, and it's a lot of festivity in the house. My childhood memories of Diwali are bursting lots of crackers, lots and lots of crackers. I know I shouldn't be saying this because right now I'm campaigning against noise pollution and all kinds of pollution, because crackers are really bad for health, they're bad for noise, they're bad for the birds. But I love bursting crackers, and that's the truth. I love crackers.
मस्ती का आलम है।
Well, yes, I am a great cook, even if I do say so. But I think this Diwali I'm going to make suji ka halwa. I will make kheer. Kheer is my specialty. I make that every puja. I have to make kheer. And for Lakshmi Puja, I think kheer is very important. So I make kheer, I'll make suji ka halwa. And I don't know, there's so many things. I'll probably make nariyal ka barfi. There are lots of things that I'm going to make. I think you should come and join me because it's going to be a feast at home this Diwali. My family consists of me and all my babies, which when I say my babies, all my dogs. That's my family. Number one that I love is food. Number two would have to be traveling. I love traveling. Number three would have to me would be meeting people. Number four would be, God, this is getting tough. Number four would be visiting temples. I love visiting temples. There's a certain peace to it. And number five would be working. I never planned to get into acting. I think acting just happened to me. I was always doing theatre. My graph has been a little different. Usually they go from modeling to acting. I went from acting to modeling to back to acting. I say that because I first started my career with theatre. Then I went to modeling, and then I went back to acting. I went back to films. And now I'm spending most of my time doing films. Modeling is there, but I do very little of it. Theatre requires a lot of time, dedication, rehearsals, which unfortunately I don't have the time to do, but theatre is my first love. and I hope that one day I'm able to do theatre all the time. You know, unfortunately, there's nothing called dream role. A dream role is that role in which the film gets very famous and your role gets stupendous recognition and is really admired. So I want to create my own dream role. I don't want to say Mother India is my dream role because that day is gone, that era is gone, that time and age is gone. So I need to create my own version of Mother India, which is something totally different for 2007 or 2009 or whenever now. I can't really quote from history because history is exactly what it is. It's in the past. It's there. It's not now. Fortunately for me, I have a lot of real friends. So I have a lot of critics. I have a lot of people who show me the mirror every day. I have a lot of friends. I have a great publicist. I have a manager. I have everyone. Everyone in my life is very real, and I think I'm lucky in that aspect. Everyone keeps me very grounded. They show me the mirror every day, and they tell me what is black, what is white. They tell me when I do a bad job, they say, Bhairavi, this is horrible. So that's really important. I don't have chamchas around me. Okay, Mr. Bhatti and Chitti is a hilarious film. It's about Mr. Bhatti, which is Anupam Kher, who is trying to smuggle himself out of this country on a bus. So he comes to England and he meets me, and I meet him in London. My character is Katie, and he's trying to woo me because he wants to stay back in London, and it's a comedy of errors. It's very hilarious. It's a great film. It's something that I'm really looking forward to, and it's the first film where I've done a glamorous special song. I wouldn't like to say item song because it's not an item song, it's a special song. It's the promotional song of the film, it's the flagship song of the film, and it's great fun. Cold. I say cold because we shot in Scotland. I met Anupam Kher for the first time in Scotland, and we shot for a month there every day. I was very, very cold. So the only thing, every day we would meet in the morning and say, good morning, it's really cold today, right? Yeah, and the whole day we would shoot, and aaj bahut thanda hai na. It was just very cold for 30 days. Yes, Kacha Limbu is a film where I'm playing the role of a school teacher. But unfortunately, it doesn't resemble Sushmita Sen. I'm playing a Catholic school teacher, Lily Fernandez. And I think it's a little more like I'm wearing Catholic clothes, I've got short hair with lots of curls, I've got brown hair. It's a little like Simi Garewal's character in the Raj Kapoor film. I don't think it's like Sushmita Sen's character in Main Hoon Na. So it's a different teacher's role. It's very nice, and I think it's a dream role because every man in the world loves his teacher. I think every boy, his first crush is his teacher. That's why I say it's a dream role. There's no doubt about it, glamour sells. If you were to take two actresses who've done the same number of films, who've been in the industry for the same number of years, and if they were to come on the big screen, if they were to walk into a party, if they were to come anywhere, you would look at the glamorous one, and there's no denying that. There's no two ways about it. That's the way it is. Glamour sells, beauty sells, looking good sells, and I love it because it's a motivation for us to stay in shape, to stay young and to look good. My future plans are to take life as it comes because there's no use planning. I've tried planning so many times and life doesn't go as per what you've planned. So I take each day as it comes, and I want to do my best when it comes to my work, and I love working. I want to work every single day. I think that's the only thing I can plan for, to work every day.